Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A cikin wannan video insha Allah zai muku bayani kan yadda za ku yi descriptive analysis a cikin Microsoft Excel. Descriptive analysis kamar muka sani akwai different types of analysis da muke da su, irin su descriptive analysis da na faɗa, muna da predictive analysis, sannan muna da prescriptive. So all these analysis akwai certain things da suke dibawa ko kuma certain things da suke ba mutane, suke ba mu as outcome idan muka yi analysis based on the type of analysis da muke so mu yi. Kamar misali descriptive yana answer question what happened. So by mere looking at the outcome of the analysis to show you this and that happened on the data, so you will have an insight about the data. Shi kuma predictive kamar muka sani is all about what will happen. So it will answer the question what will happen in the future. So that's the predictive analysis. Then the last one that we have, there are many of them, not only these three, but I'm just trying to explain what ambata. So the prescriptive one is how can we make it happen? That what the question the prescriptive analysis is answering. So this descriptive analysis will answer the question what happened. So by mere looking at this data, it will tell you what happened related to this data. So you will see the minimum, the maximum, the sum, the standard deviation, the mean, the mode, and everything by just clicking on the buttons. So inshallah it will do that for you and everything. So today I will show you how to get such analysis by just clicking on some buttons that Zakuyi click inshallah using Microsoft Excel. Zakuyi shida kanku. So first of all, if you come under data, now you will not see it. I'm going to show you how to put the tool, the analysis package tool, in order for you to do the descriptive analysis. So what you need to do is just click on File, scroll down and just click on this option. Just click option, just click add-ins. Under this add-ins, just click on add-ins. You will see this analysis tool pack. This analysis tool pack, just click on it and click on go. Just make sure you are Excel add-ins. Just click go. So after you click go, it will pop on these add-ins for you. Just tick this one, analysis tool pack. Just tick it and click OK. So that's all. So now if you come back under data, you will see we have data analysis here. We have this tool here. So that's how to install it on your Microsoft Excel. Even if you are using Microsoft 2007, 13, 16, the procedure is the same. So now what we are going to know to get is to get the inside the summary of these two data, because we have daily revenue and we have expenses. So we want to get one for this daily revenue. What you need to do is just highlight it. Just highlight all. When you highlight it, just come and click this data analysis. So when you click on it, since Zakuyi descriptive analysis ni za ga akwai abubuwa da yawa a ciki, but make sure you select on this descriptive statistics. You see it here. That's it. Just click on it. Click on it like this and just click OK. So now it will ask you for the range of the data. So as you highlight this, just you need to highlight it again. Just highlight it again. So when you highlight it, now if you want it in new worksheet, yeah, we need it to be in new worksheet. So don't touch anything. The summary statistic, just don't touch anything. You can just put yes, we need summary statistics. Confidence level of mean, yeah, just leave it at 95%. Don't touch anything. Don't leave this the way it is. Just leave it like that. So just click OK. So now as you can see now, we have a descriptive statistics or descriptive analysis of that data, that is of the expenses. You see this daily revenue, that we have. So as you can see, we have this. Okay, let me just format this. I think let me just copy this. Okay, so that okay, so we have it like this, but I don't need it to be in not everything is money. So let's just leave it like this. So this is the mean. We have the mean, we have standard error, we have median, we have mode, standard deviation, simple sample variance, kurtosis. We have all these range, minimum, all these. This is what it did for us. So this is the a preview of this data. This is the preview of this data because it shows and summarizes the data points, as you can see, in actually a constructive way. So by mere looking at it, you see that the minimum amount is this and the maximum is this. So as you can see, the total sum of the amount is this, and the count of all the data, as you can see now, the count is what is 31. So this is it. This is the median, this is the mode, and this is the mean. So all this, by just clicking on that, you got this insight about your data. So this is what we mean by descriptive analysis, or you can say descriptive statistics. So there are many things you can do. You can also come here, go back to data, under data, just click data analysis, just click this descriptive, you just highlight the expenses. Now we are going to delete this and we need to get the expenses. So for expenses, so we are going to just click OK. Don't touch anything, just leave the summary statistics. But now we can just put labels in first row and just click OK. So let's wait and see. So as you can see now, this is what we got for the second second data. So let me just copy this and paste it where the first one is. So let me just paste it here. Sorry. So let's paste it here. So as you can see, this is it. So now for the expenses, I can even copy this so that we have the same thing. So this is for revenue, and this is for expenses. So this is for revenue and this is for expenses. So if you look at it now, you will see that, okay, let me just open this. Okay, let me put this as center, highlight all, and put Times New Roman. So now if you look at it well, you will see that now we have all this summary of this data. So we have the minimum expenses is 21,128. The maximum is 30,000. 304,000. Then the total expenses, that is sum of everything, is 13 million and others. So the count is 31. So as you can see now, we have 30 for this, we have 31 for this. If you come here and look at the data, you will see that why do we have 30 there and we have 31 there? It is because of the reason why we select is because we select that labels, that labels. You see this label in first row. So it's because we selected that, why it turned this 24,000 into the label of the data of the analysis. So we don't need that first row to be a label. Just leave it like that, since we only highlight the data and just click OK. So now we are going to get 31, as you can see. So we have 31. So this is how you do descriptive statistic analysis or descriptive analysis inside Microsoft Excel, and I hope this will help a lot of people, inshallah. So you need to share this video ga sauran mutane domin su ma su kalla su gane yadda ake yi ne da sauransu. Da fata Allah ka samu dace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.